Welcome to Xtreme Autosound, Louisville, Kentucky. This is our build for the 2022 Sony Mobile ES build. We started with a 91 Toyota Hilux pickup truck. About a month and a half ago started the sketches, the design. Design 1 turned into Design 2, turned into what we have finished with, and of course various methods along the way to get there. We've incorporated some lighting, and it's quite a significant build. Come along. Hello, my name is Michael with Xtreme Autosound. We have here our Sony ES build that we've done, this 91 Toyota pickup truck. Started out with the XAV 9500 ES media receiver. Moved some things in the dash around, lowered the vents down, lowered the heating controls down. Did 3 of the XM4 ES amplifiers, more of a float mount in front of the wall of subs. In our center console, we've got 4 of the XM1 ES amplifiers, 2 on each side, custom mounted in the center there. On the front, 2 bass knobs, one to control 2 subs, the other controls all 6. We understand that not every customer wants a wall of subs, so sometimes it's nice just to have control over. We can show them 2, what it really sounds like in the average car, and then we can turn up the other 6 and really show off what the system can do. Our custom door panels, we have 2 sets of the XS162 ES component systems. We added some NeoPixel addressable LED lighting. It does change colors, of course, and change effects. We did accentuate the color in the door panel to match these rings on the tweeters. Also have our crossovers mounted back in the rear, woofers here, tweeters there, of course. If the custom doors and center console weren't impressive enough, we've essentially taken up the entire back jump seat areas of the pickup truck. We've added 3 of the XM4 ES 4-channel amplifiers to bi-amp the front doors, 1 amp essentially covering each door. The other 4-channel amp is bridged and covering the 2 XM160 ES speakers that are custom mounted in the sides of the rear. And then 4 of the XSW10 subwoofers. You know, we've often had customers come in, they'll look at subwoofer speakers, stereos, and they'll want to hear it. Doesn't always do the best job of showing it off in the showroom because it's such a large showroom and the sound gets kind of lost. So it is nice to have a demo vehicle to go out and show them what things do sound like in the car. It's the first demo vehicle that we've done of this magnitude. It's nice to have one brand completely in the vehicle. The Sony ES being a great line for the money, great audio quality for the money. People don't have to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars just to get a great system. People come in and see the truck while we were building it even. It's like, oh my, it's gonna be awesome. Can't wait to hear it. Now that we've had it done for some time and they come in and check it out, listen to it, they're just blown away by what it sounds like. With the 2 bass knobs, we can turn all the subs down. We can listen to the mids and highs by themselves. That way they get the real feel of what it sounds like in their vehicle. And then when we want to show off the entire thing, you can turn up both bass knobs all the way and they get just a great sound, great punchy bass out of the 10s. It sounds really good. We've really been proud to show it off. Everyone that comes in is glad to see it, glad to hear it. It's just been a wonderful project. Again, we want to thank Sony for allowing us the opportunity. We want to thank our 3 main guys, Matt Crouch, Michael Cockrell, and Brian Eckenroth for the work that they've done. Thank you.